Today we're going to compare various drawing tablets for you. If you're an artist or stepping into the digital drawing world for the first time, choosing the right device is crucial. We'll provide a detailed review that helps you find the most suitable tablet among those offering different features. We encourage you to watch the video till the end. Subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. Number 5. Huion Kamvas Studio 16. This device is positioned in the premium segment of drawing tablets and stands out with its unique features. It's considered one of the most comprehensive drawing computers ever made. The Huion Kamvas isn't just a display. It's a fully fledged digital drawing device with its own Windows 11 operating system. This feature eliminates the need to connect to another computer or laptop. You can perform digital drawing while managing your tasks and browsing the internet all on a single device. Featuring a spacious 15.75-inch drawing area, this device provides smooth and precise lines when used with the Pentek 3.0 Plus stylus. The stylus meets the standards of premium drawing screens with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, delivering an excellent drawing experience for both broad, powerful strokes and delicate, precise markings. The device's metal chassis design captures attention with its slim and sleek appearance. On the right side, there are audio controls and a 3.5mm audio jack, along with 2 USB-C ports. However, despite its high-end features, there are some notable points to consider. For instance, the device lacks physical shortcut keys, which may leave some users feeling a sense of omission during drawing sessions. In conclusion, the Huion Kamvas Studio 16 excels with its drawing capabilities, integration of Windows 11 operating system, and large screen, making it a versatile drawing device. If you're a professional artist or digital creator looking for a drawing tablet that also functions as a work computer, this device could be ideal for you. Number 4. One by Wacom. This small and portable pen tablet provides a great surface for working on the go, whether in the office, at school, or at home. With its affordable price and sturdy build, it's an excellent choice for students, beginner creatives, and hobbyists. While One by Wacom is not as high-end as Wacom's other professional tools, it performs quite well as an entry-level device. It's lightweight, easy to use, and has a sleek design, making it a great option for those starting their creative careers. Don't confuse it with the Wacom One, as One by Wacom does not have a built-in screen. This device features a powerful pen with 2048 pressure levels. If you're looking for a fully featured device that supports more advanced, professional workflows, One by Wacom might be a bit limited for you. It lacks shortcut keys, so you'll need to either get a shortcut remote or keep your keyboard handy. One by Wacom comes in 2 portable sizes, small and medium. These sizes allow you to use the best digital art and photo editing software. Overall, using this device was really enjoyable, especially for quickly completing small tasks. It's perfect for quickly editing images in Photoshop, adding to a template, or roughing out ideas for larger projects. Wacom's drivers are simple and effective, making setup and use very straightforward. In conclusion, One by Wacom is an excellent assistant for digital art hobbyists and students due to its portability and efficiency. I definitely recommend this device to help you complete your creative projects quickly and easily. Number 3. Wacom Cintiq Pro 27. This massive pen display is an incredible device that you can use both for drawing and as a computer monitor. First off, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 27 weighs a hefty 15.8 pounds and boasts a 26.9-inch UHD screen. Its size and weight make an impressive statement right out of the box. Designed for professional use, this device resembles a computer monitor more than a traditional graphics tablet. This versatility accelerates your workflow, whether drawing or using it as a monitor, reducing clutter on your desktop. The large size and weight of this device may require some adjustment for those used to more traditional pen displays. However, its tilt and extension adjustments are very user-friendly, simplifying creative processes. The mechanism on the back of the tablet allows you to adjust and lock the screen angle easily. Setting up the Wacom Cintiq Pro is straightforward. Just plug and play. Optional accessories can be easily mounted on the sides of the screen. The mounting holes around the screen let you customize your workspace by adding cameras, microphones, or lights. It comes with preloaded gestures ready for use with both your fingers and the Wacom Pro Pen 3. The multi-touch screen is very sensitive when using both pen and touch. However, this sensitivity can sometimes cause the line to disappear if you accidentally touch the screen. Fortunately, you can easily toggle multi-touch on and off with a button on the back of the screen. In conclusion, The Wacom Cintiq Pro 27 offers a perfect combination of a pen display and computer monitor for professional creatives. Its high-resolution screen, precise pen, and versatile use make it truly noteworthy. If you have the budget and are looking for a professional solution, I highly recommend the Wacom Cintiq Pro 27. Number 2. XPPen Artist Pro 16. This device is a perfect choice for both hobbyist artists and early career professionals. The XPPen Artist Pro 16 stands out with its sleek and integrated design. It features a 16-inch screen with a 2.5K resolution. The brightness control is also quite sensitive, allowing you to adjust to the perfect setting for your environment. One of the most important features of this tablet is its newly developed stylus. With 16,000 pressure levels, you can control your drawings with the finest detail. The stylus also has a non-slip rubber grip and 2 customizable buttons. The digital eraser at the tip is very useful for correcting your drawings. The tablet has 2 integrated legs on the back, supporting the screen at a 19-degree angle. However, the fixed angle could be a disadvantage for some users. This is an important detail for those who want a more flexible stand. The screen brightness can be adjusted with a 100-point sensitivity scale, allowing you to set the screen to the best setting for different lighting conditions throughout the day. The color gamut is quite impressive, but it may appear slightly dull compared to laptop screens for some professional illustrators. This tablet is designed to be used even with the screen off, making it suitable for those who prefer to use a drawing tablet without a screen. However, due to the fixed angle stand, you may need additional support for long drawing sessions. In conclusion, the XPPen Artist Pro 16, with its high-resolution screen, precise stylus, and useful accessories, is a great choice for both amateur and professional artists. If you are looking for a stylish, functional, and high-performance drawing tablet, you should definitely consider this device. Number 1. Xencelabs Pen Display 24. This device is a perfect choice for professional creatives and experienced amateurs. First of all, the Xencelabs boasts a 24-inch display with 4K UHD resolution. When it comes to design, the device is both sleek and sturdy. The large drawing area provides ample workspace. The integrated stand on the back can be adjusted between 1672 degrees and also offers Visa mount compatibility for various usage scenarios. Xencelabs includes many useful accessories with this device. The Quick Keys remote, with its OLED display and 9 programmable keys, helps speed up your workflow. The setup process is straightforward. The cables and drivers are user-friendly, allowing you to start using the device quickly. The virtual tablet mode lets you easily switch between different screens, which is a big advantage for those using multiple displays. The drawing experience is truly exceptional. The screen's texture and pen sensitivity are excellent. I encountered no lag or parallax issues while drawing. The Quick Keys remote significantly increased my productivity. Managing 50 different shortcuts effortlessly made my workflow much more efficient. The Xencelabs Pen Display 24 offers a flawless drawing tablet experience. It is an excellent choice for both professional and amateur artists. If you are looking for a high-performance, user-friendly, and stylish drawing tablet, this device is perfect for you. And that brings us to the end of our comparison. We hope you've chosen the drawing tablet that's best for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, share which device you prefer and your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, take care.